To my channel. Today my topic is rate part 3. I take some questions for you. My first question: a man pays a total of the $4,800 in the flat rental for the 3 months. Find his monthly rental rate. If you want to find out the monthly rental rate, monthly rental rates, monthly rental rates, total 3 month, $4,800 dividing by 3, that's $1,600. His monthly rental rates. That's your answer. If you want to find out the 12-month rental rate, 12-month rental rate, 12-month rental rates. So you multiply 1600 multiply by 12. Your answer is 19200. $19,200 is your answers. And my second question: if the mass of the metal bar, which is 3.25 meter long, is 15 kg, find its mass per meter. Find its mass per meter. Simply mass per meter. How to find this one? Simply 15 dividing by 3.25. Your answer is 4.62, and in a mixed numbers your answer is 4 wholes 8 by 13 in a mixed numbers. That's your answers. That's mean the 15 kg, the weight of this metal bars, and the length of this one 3.25 meter, its length. And you find out the mass per meter. You find out the mass per meters. The mass per meters, per meter mass, that's 4.62 kg is a per meter mass. My third question: if the 200-gram fertilizer is required for the plot of the land that has an area of the 4 meter squares, 200 grams fertilizer is required for a plot of the land that has an area of the 4 meter square. Find the amount of the fertilizer needed for a plot of the land that has area of the 20 meter square. First you find out the fertilizer for the 1 meter square area. First you find out the fertilizer for 1 meter square. Fertilizer for 1 meter squares. How to find this one? The total number 200 dividing by 4. What's your answer? 50 grams. 50 gram fertilizer is required for 1 meter square area. 1 meter square area, that's mean 1 and 1. 1 meter square area. And required fertilizer required for this area 50 grams. And we find out the fertilizer needed for 20 meters square. The fertilizer for 20 meters square, just simply 20 multiply by 50 multiply by 20. What's your answers? 1000 gram fertilizer is required for the 20 meter square area. I again repeated, 1000 gram fertilizer is required for the 20 meter square area. And my second questions: the area of the land that can be fertilized by 500 grams of the fertilizer. 500 gram. In the second question we find out the land. This one first and this one second. We find out the area of the land. the area of the land. How to find this one? The area of the land, total number of the fertilizer 500 grams, and the per meter square area 50 grams required for the per meter square area. 0 cut to this one, and 5 tens are 10 meter squares. 10 meter squares. 10 meter square is the area of the land that can be fertilizer by 500 grams of the fertilizer. 10 meter square is the area of the land that can be fertilized by the 500 gram of the fertilizer. In the first one, we find out the fertilizer required for the specific area 20 meter squares, that's required for 20 meter square area 1000 grams. And in the second one, the area of the land, we find out the area of the land 10 meter square area is required for the 500 gram fertilizers. That's the end of my lecture.